PrestaShop or Shift4Shop? Two names leading the e-commerce world, but which one really delivers? On the left, PrestaShop, open source flexibility for ambitious builders. And on the right, Shift4Shop, an all-in-one hosted store packed with enterprise muscle. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters for your online business. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll see which platform takes the crown in 2025. The winner? It might just surprise you. First things first, let me show you our roadmap. Here's the mind map of all the categories we're about to tackle: pricing, ease of use, SEO and marketing, B2B features, support and community, security and updates, and flexibility and integrations. So grab your coffee, because we're about to get nerdy about the things that matter when you're picking your online store home. Let's kick things off with pricing. PrestaShop is kinda tempting. It's free to download. There are no transaction fees, so if you're bootstrapping, that sounds pretty great. But here's the catch. You gotta pay for your own hosting, and if you want the more advanced goodies, extensions, or official support, they're gonna cost extra. Now, Shift4Shop, here's where things get interesting. If you're a US merchant and you use their payments system, you actually get the platform for free, like SSL, domain, updates. It's all included. Super convenient. But, and this is a big but, if you go outside their payment ecosystem, those transaction fees creep in. Plus, the more features you need, especially enterprise stuff, your costs can kinda snowball. So, subtle nudge here, Shift4Shop's package is the winner in pricing for most people. Next up, ease of use. PrestaShop is the developer's playground. Tons of customization if you know your way around code, and their product management dashboard is great, but honestly, for newbies, it can feel like assembling IKEA furniture without the instructions. You'll be responsible for all the tech bits too. Now, Shift4Shop, this one's built for simplicity. You get a drag-and-drop editor, everything managed in one spot, hosting, updates, security, literally plug and play. The trade-off is you don't have the same deep customization, and you're kind of locked into their platform. But for most merchants who just want to start selling, this ease is actually a game changer. So, Shift4Shop gets the win here. Moving into SEO and marketing, PrestaShop gives you lots of plugin options. Custom URLs, meta tags, and catalog magic. All great if you want full control. But real talk, your SEO superpowers kinda depend on how good your hosting is. Shift4Shop? Oh, and here's something cool. Modern SEO tools baked right in, with optimized hosting that keeps your pages loading snappy. Helps with rankings, right? Advanced options need plugins, sure, but out of the box, it's tuned for Google. That edge makes Shift4Shop take this round.
Quick pause here. Did you know PrestaShop is powering over 300,000 stores worldwide right now, and Shift4Shop, back when it was called 3D Cart, has been helping merchants since way back in 1997. That's some serious experience on both sides. Let's talk B2B features. PrestaShop can totally do multi-user setups, custom pricing, catalogs. If you're willing to hunt down and pay for the right modules, you're good. But those advanced tools aren't free. So you gotta plan for extra investments. Shift4Shop comes out swinging. Robust B2B support like multi-user, custom pricing, quotes, even tax-exempt options, all built into higher tier plans. Yeah, you need to unlock the upper plans. But compared to piecing together modules with PrestaShop, it's way more plug and play for business users. So, guess what? Shift4Shop lands ahead again.
On to support and community. PrestaShop thrives on its massive open source community, with tons of resources and add-ons floating around. But the actual official support is, let's just say, thin on the ground. And if you want help, get ready to pay. Meanwhile, Shift4Shop delivers 24/7 live support. Phone, chat, email, all US-based, plus onboarding materials. The quality can rise and fall depending on your plan, but honestly, having instant help can make life so much easier. The third-party marketplace isn't as huge, but for quick support, Shift4Shop takes it. Security and updates. Now, this is where it gets a little technical. With PrestaShop, it's open source, so the codebase is transparent. You're in control, which is neat, right? But if you slack on updates or patches, you're opening the door to security risks. Everything's on you. Shift4Shop flips that. SSL, PCI compliance, real-time updates, it's all automated, so you don't have to think about it. Less manual tweaking, more peace of mind. If you're geeky and love full control, you might miss that freedom, but for most, Shift4Shop's security package is the clear winner. Finally, flexibility and integrations. PrestaShop is like unlimited playground mode. You get full code and database access. Basically tweak anything you want, with thousands of modules and integrations. If you want to go wild with custom features, this is your jam. Only hiccup? With a huge store, things can get pretty complex, so be ready. Meanwhile, Shift4Shop does have a big app store and lots of integrations, and you can set up payment gateways fast. But you do hit some walls as far as code freedom. In this round, PrestaShop finally pulls ahead and scores the win on sheer flexibility. By now, you're probably already picturing who's ahead, right? Imagine a radar chart. Shift4Shop's scores spike in pricing, ease of use, SEO, B2B, support, and security. PrestaShop owns flexibility, but in most categories, Shift4Shop is in the lead. You can literally see the differences play out across the board. So here's my straight-up opinion. If you're a business that's got a developer on speed dial and you want maximum control, PrestaShop is your DIY workbench. But if you're all about launching fast, minimizing headaches, and having top-notch security and support, Shift4Shop is kind of made for you. For most folks starting fresh in 2025, Shift4Shop just checks more boxes. If this comparison made your decision a bit easier, definitely go check out their official sites for a free trial or demo. Don't forget, follow for more side-by-side e-commerce breakdowns. See you in the next one.